Allow me to introduce the Attribute Master, an indispensable tool for anyone who works with title sheets in CAD. Attribute Master is designed to simplify your workflow by enabling you to export blocks with attributes from DWG files in just a few clicks. Whether you're dealing with one folder or multiple subfolders, simply select the locations containing your DWG files. Choose the desired blocks with attributes, and let Attribute Master do the rest. The tool automatically scans all specified folders, opens each file, identifies the blocks, and extracts the relevant data, seamlessly linking it to an Excel file. Once the data is collected, Attribute Master compiles it into a well-organized Excel spreadsheet, which you can easily save and update as needed. To update, simply open the tool, click Update, select the drawing list, and it will automatically update each of your DWG files with the values from the Excel sheet. As you can see, it updates each file individually. Once the process is complete, it will open a log file. This includes the ability to rename layouts and modify all block attributes. Moreover, the Excel file integrates with our Publish command, allowing you to create a publish list for generating PDFs and even specify the PDF names directly within the spreadsheet. Whether you're managing a project with 10 layouts or 1,000, Attribute Master is the tool you need to streamline your process and boost your productivity. Here's an example of a folder structure. As you can see, our project includes multiple disciplines, each with subfolders containing DWG files. All DWGs have block references with attributes. Click the Attribute Master tool in the ribbon, then select Add. Here, choose your folders. Start by selecting the root folder. Next, click Add and enter the block reference names with attributes you wish to fetch. Click Save Input to save the folder and block selections. Now, click Create and choose a location to store the drawing list. You will see that all DWGs in the root folder have been pulled in. For this demo, let's use fewer files. Close the window, reopen it, load the saved input, and adjust the selected folders as needed. Save the input again, then click Create and select a location for the drawing list. You can choose between a single drawing export or a bulk export by selecting the desired layouts. Once you click OK, the tool will retrieve all the properties and generate an Excel file. As you can see, the tool generates multiple sheets in Excel, each linked to the block names you specified. I'm now opening 2 of the drawings. In each drawing, you'll notice that the block names match those in Excel. Let's also update the version number in this drawing. To do this, change the version number on the Excel sheet for this drawing. Let us do the same for this drawing. First, compare the name of the block to the sheet name in Excel, and then also update the version number. Once you've made these changes, click Save and close Excel. Also, close all the open drawings, as this can cause issues with read-only drawings. After closing the drawings, click the tool in the ribbon again and then click Update. Now select the drawing list and click Open. Here you can choose what drawings you would like to update. Select all of them and then click OK. As you can see, it updates each file individually. Once the process is complete, it will open a log file. This concludes our demonstration. For more information, please visit our blog. The link is in the description. Additionally, you can find a guide on creating PDFs using our tool in the video titled Creating a Custom Publish List using AddoSOFT on our page. Thank you for choosing AddoSOFT, We're dedicated to enhancing your CAD experience and value your trust in our solutions. Have a great day.